Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn about Google Drive connector with ChatGPT. These are the connectors that are available in ChatGPT OpenAI. So this is Google Drive. Then the other one is Microsoft OneDrive personal and OneDrive work or school account. So the first connector whatever we will be using today is Google Drive. So we can connect our Google Drive and we can use it with ChatGPT also. ChatGPT will try to answer. So this is the temporary chat button and these are the settings button where we have to click on settings and go to the connected apps. So here you can see the Google Drive button where I have connected to Google Drive already, and each file user access whatever it is, internal documents and user permissions are set up at user level, and file access is also always with a Google Drive. So I mean, like whatever permissions you have to give will be at the user level and will be with the Google Drive. So there are two ways to do this today. So you can either just ask questions or you can just give the prompt so that you want data from the Google Drive. So I will try to give the prompt today. So our internal project, whatever is there in my Google Drive, it is about mobile app documentation PDF from Google Drive. So it will trying to get the data from the Google Drive. So it is nothing, it is damaged information. So if this is used to show so that how this works actually. So it is trying to retrieve the data from the Google Drive and giving me the summary here. So this helps us in daily tasks. There is no need for us to go into the documents and search folder by folder, file by file. This saves us lot of information and lot of time for us, so that we can get the information very quickly, so that we can do our work 10x faster than whatever we do. So this is the quick easy summary which was given by the ChatGPT reading our Google Drive files. So this is the project documentations, and there will be number of documentations for whom we cannot go through each and every document. So this helps us with our daily tasks. So there are other tools also where you can use in ChatGPT, like create an image search the web, write or code, run deep search, think for longer. So these really helps us with our daily tasks and daily work life. So hope this helps. Thank you.